A very interesting topic of today. What if I told you that artificial intelligence could tell you who you will marry, what job you will have, and even when you might die? Sounds like science fiction, not anymore. Welcome to Knowledge Hub, the place where curiosity meets clarity. If you are passionate about exploring mind blowing facts, science, history, and everything in between, you are in the right place. Let us dive into today's fascinating topic. Welcome to the age where algorithms don't just learn your habits, they try to predict your destiny. In this video, we will explore the mind bending question: can AI predict your future? And more importantly, should it? The science of prediction. What does AI actually do? Artificial intelligence, especially machine learning, works by analyzing massive datasets to find hidden patterns it does not see. The word like we do, it sees probabilities. Examples: Netflix predicts what show you will being next. Amazon knows what you will likely buy next. Spotify curates songs before you know you will love them. Facebook predicts you. YouTube predicts your choice. Now imagine scaling that up. If What if AI could analyze your past medical records, social media activity, location data, spending patterns, genetics, and even your typing speed to predict your future choices, risks, and decisions? This is not hypothetical. It's already happening. Real world applications of predictive AI, for example, healthcare. AI models are being trained to predict when you might suffer a heart attack, your risk of developing cancer, mental health breakdown before symptoms even show. These were for those people who are curious about their health and have problems. IBM, Watson Health, and Google DeepMind are using AI to diagnose disease with greater accuracy than many doctors. Here we gave example of finance. AI models predict your credit worthiness, loan risks, even investment returns. Hedge funds now rely on predictive analytics to bet billions on the future of the economy. Criminal justice. In the US, algorithms like COMPAS have been used to predict the likelihood of someone committing a crime again, but it raised serious ethical concerns as it often showed racial bias. Role of artificial intelligence in personal life and behavior. Facebook's AI once predicts a user's relationship status change before they updated it. TikTok's algorithm knows what mood you are in based on how long you pause on certain videos. AI can even predict your political beliefs, sexual orientation, or mental state just from a few likes. But the question arises, how accurate are these? AI is good at predicting patterns, but not fate. It does not see your future. Instead, it calculates probabilities based on your past behavior and data of people like you. For example, AI may predict that you have an 87% chance of developing diabetes in the next 10 years, or that you are 90% likely to quit your job in the next months. Even it also explain you about quitting the smoking. But humans are unpredictable. A single decision can change everything. That's where AI struggles. Free will, randomness, and emotion still make us beautifully complex. The rise of predictive humans becoming data puppets, the scary part. As we feed AI more and more personal data, for example, location, heartbeat from wearables, conversations from smart speakers, emotions detected from facial recognition, will we become increasingly predictable, and if a machine knows how we will react, it can influence us. That's how platforms, news behaviors shape elections, and even change social values without us realizing it. Your future may be less predicted and more programmed. The dark side, ethical and philosophical questions. Who owns your future? You are the algorithm. What happens when AI predicts becomes fulfilling prophecies? Will people be denied job, insurance, or freedom based on AI's predictions? This leads to deep questions. Are we losing our free will? Could AI become a modern oracle controlling society under the illusion of naturality? Privacy, bias, and algorithm control are no longer science fiction concerns. They are real and now hope for the future. Augmented intelligence, not replacement. But here is the good news, AI does not have to control us. It can augment our intelligence, not replace it. It can help us to prevent disease, guide us through smarter decisions, improve education, safety, and well being. The key is balance, transparency, and keeping human at the center of the equation. So, can AI predict your future? Yes, partially, but not completely. It can forecast based on data, but it cannot predict a random act of courage, a sudden burst of love, or a revolution of the mind. Your future is still yours to write. AI may be the pen, but you hold the hand. The future is not something to fear, it is something to shape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what you let AI predict your future.